What's up, y'all? It's your boy K back with another video. You see I'm looking rough, but it is what it is. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to replace some struts on your car. So that's what we're doing today. About to dive into the video. Let's get it. All right, so let's go over the tools you're gonna need. Of course, you're gonna need a breaker bar. That's kind of mandatory. A 21 and an 18 wrench. Then you're gonna need, of course, a power drill if you got it. That's a 24-inch socket on there. Then you got a 15. I think this is a T40, a 8mm, couple extensions, and I'm just using power tools as you can see. But if you don't have those, of course, you can just use a regular ratchet. Your ratchet right there. So let's get into it. So most of this is already taken apart, but as you can see, here's your strut tower here with the 3 bolts. Just got to take that last one off, but to get to here you have to literally take off this whole thing right here. This is where the windshield wipers go. You got to take the windshield wipers off. You got to take the little plastic body panel right here off just to get down there. So make sure you do that. All right, what you do, so this is gonna look like when you first start the job. You take the tire off right there. Always put it underneath the car, and you can have jack stands if you need be. So jack stand right there. So what you do is this your rotor caliper, but this is what we're replacing. Strut, right? So this 24 that I was telling you about, it's 2 of these. So shoot them off or ratchet it off. Here it is. So you take that off, but remember you got to take the link off too. This is the 15. So it's gonna be connected into there. You just move it over, put the nut back on there so you don't lose it. Then it's gonna be loose here. What you're gonna do, once you take these off, I kept them in. So you take these off, you knock these out. Don't bang on them because you don't want to mess up the thread, but if you need to, you can put like a piece of 2x4 or whatever right there to knock them out. So it's 2 of them, that one and that one right there. So once you do that, you're gonna free up this whole strut. Then you come up top, release these 3, and it should drop right out. All right, once you get out the car, this is what it's gonna look like. It's the old one. So this is what your workspace will look like. Once you get it out, that whole bar that was just right there is gone. So let's go ahead and put the new one in. Make sure when you're replacing it, you get to make sure they right size, and you get to line these up. But you got indicators over here too. All right, so we're about to go ahead and rotate it so we can make sure it's lined up right. You think some more? You up there?